7 Simple Steps for Better Lock Maintenance in Miami. Lock maintenance is important in order to protect your property from thieves. If you don't take care of them, they could break and may not work properly the next time you need them. That's why it's so important to follow these simple steps for better lock maintenance Miami residents can use every day. Number 1. Using a lubricant for your locks in Miami. Number 2. Keeping your locks clean. Number 3. Using weather protectant on your locks. Number 4. Using the correct keys. Number 5. Taking care of your lock during extreme weather. Number 6. Keeping keys separate from locks. Number 7. Replacing old locks. Number 8. Protect your locks while away. When searching for a locksmith in Miami, there are several things that need to be taken into consideration, including their professional qualifications and experience. Also, many locksmiths may offer discounts during emergency calls at night or for lockouts. Call My Locksmith Miami when you need assistance with your locks, doors, or keys. They can not only help you at home with faulty door locks but also provide assistance with rekeying the lock to prevent thieves from entering if they get a hold of your old key. You should always be proactive in the maintenance of your locks and keys. This includes cleaning them regularly, lubricating their mechanisms as needed, and replacing old or faulty locks. If you are looking for a reputable company to provide these services in Miami, contact us today at 786-777-8214.